Now I'm going to give you a little diverter valve 101. Right now, it is on the first speed. If I hit the jet button, that is second speed, that's your high speed. When it is on high speed, do not touch the diverter valve, you will break it. Come back over to the jets, turn it down to low speed, and then you can move it from one side to the other side without damaging the diverter valve. See, right now there's no water coming out of these jets because all the power is over here. So if you come back here, we can put it in the middle. Okay, now you can see movement in the tub. If we go all the way over here, now you've got all the movement in the tub on this side, but you have nothing over here. So only move this diverter valve when you're on the first speed. When you're done for the evening, take your diverter valve and put it in the middle. That way all the water comes up the center tube and it equally disperses between the two. If you don't do that, you get what's called stinchy water, and then people wonder why they can't get the chemicals correct in their hot tub, because all of a sudden you went and did it, you dumped a bunch of stinchy, nasty water. Now you can stick it on high speed and you're ready to go.